This is my first Balisong. It's a Maxace Banshee 3. I've had a lot of trouble getting these Balisongs. My first attempt was with Euro Balisong. I waited 3 months, nothing came. Then they said I got a refund, and then that didn't come either. So anybody out there thinking of going to Euro Balisong, I would not bother. It's a scam. I got this from Free Knives. It's really good. You've got a live blade and you've got this as a trainer blade. It runs on bearings. It's really smooth. It's 150 quid. It came in the post after 2 days. I'm in the UK. Really am loving this knife. I'm going to get another one definitely, and I'll keep the other one as a live, and I'll keep this one as a trainer. So, beautiful knife, dead simple. Thank you. See you soon.